Tension for New Benin market as unidentified man use cutlass injure one trader. Tension con dey New Benin market as one unidentified man con use cutlass injure one Mr. Anthony Jubuno when be electronic seller on Saturday for inside Benin City. This matter con lead to serious gbege for New Benin market. Godwin Joseph, when be eyewitness and security man for the complex, said the matter for pass like this, but him con sharply hold the unidentified man. A consti talk say no be the first time when they see the man, but them be reason say he know the talk.
As I dey up the staircase, I see the man. This a pie come, he want open his store. He can see the man that sit down for in the mud. He can say, "Oga, I beg, chief, I want open my store." That's it. The man just run, go carry cutlass for inside him back and can't tap the man. That's what happened. I run, call hold the man. Him be one tap him again. I call hold on. I mean call hold the man. No, we don't face him. Even yesterday, he come sit down for that place. Now, me, myself, come ask him, say, "Oh God, what you do for that place? You forget key. I've been at your store." The man know the talk. Now today, now I see the man talk. And that talk, he just carry cutlass, come call person. That's it. The power then tap him, they rush him to emergency hospital.
Ifeanyi Jubuno, when be son of the victim, con talk say everything shele for morning as in papa want open his shop.
My dad come this morning just to open his shop. He say one man sit down there. I tell the man, say, "I beg, come out, I want to open my shop." For the man carry cutlass, so use him on him, cut the center, use him for the center of the head. If not be the security man wey dey the compound and other people will come join hand, the thing for be another case. And the man, na Hausa man, this Fulani man, the thing is turning into something else. These people they are committing a lot of nuisance in these our countries. Imagine a broad daylight, this kind of thing can happen. It's even like a shock and a dream to people because we never even understand why that kind of thing go happen. Say, "Come out, I want to open my shop." Now you take carry matches. So you don't even have peace in your own house. For your own house, so no peace. So this thing, I think the government has to look into this thing properly.
We can carry waka go St. Philomena Hospital, where Mr. Anthony Jubuno they receive treatment for him to chook mouth and tell us what happened.
I said, "My name is Tony Jubuno. I'm a Christian Fellowship Living Faith Church, New Benin. And I have a shop in 116 Mission Road, New Benin, Benin City." And so this morning when we left the covenant hour of prayer, I went to the shop. On reaching the shop, I saw a man sitting by my shop, the front of my shop, sitting in front of my shop. And I said to him, "Please, sir, can you move so that I can open the shop?" He said, "No, I don't get the land." I said, "Please, sir, I want to open the shop." He said, "No, I ain't get the land." So I didn't know what to do. If I know it, he brought cutlass for me. Tried to attack me. I tried to defend myself with this one. So this one hit my hand. He hit again on my head. Before people now, as I shouted and screamed, people now came to my rescue. Otherwise, it would have been a total disaster. But the Almighty God whom I serve, the God of my father, Bishop David Oyedigbo, stood by me. And this is why I'm alive to tell this story today. My message is that everybody should be careful. Everybody should please be careful. Should be careful because there is trouble everywhere now. Everybody should be careful. I left the church to go to my shop. I never. So let everybody be very, very careful and be security conscious. He was carrying a bag. We didn't know there were weapons inside the bag.
Them don't transfer Anthony Jubuno go University of Benin Teaching Hospital sake of the bad injuries when him gets. Edo State Police Command can release one statement through Police Public Relations Officer SP Chidi Wambuzo. For the statement, police can talk say them don't rescue the unidentified man as people they beat him, but they never know him name, address or tribe where he come from. Police can say make people go back to their normal activities sake of say police don't already they handle the matter. For the time when they bring on this report, everywhere don't come for New Benin market and people don't continue with their normal activities. Onwa Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.